Hi guys, this is Anna making a weight loss smoothie. So we're going to start with celery. These are just chopped up celery, some apples, and date paste. I have a recipe on that, you can check it out, and some water. So we're going to put the water first into the blender to make it easier for the blender. Then we're going to put the celery. Celery is very cleansing and also help you lose a lot of weight. So I'll put the celery, and the green apples are good also. They're not too sweet, so the only very sweet thing we're going to have there is the dates, but it also has some sweetness to it. And we're going to put them all inside the blender and blend it up. If you want, you can add more water so it's less chunky and to make it nice and smooth. So there it is. This is a good recipe to make when you want to lose weight, but make sure the rest of your food is not high fat so that you lose weight. Otherwise, if you don't do that, you'll end up adding even more weight. So there it is. Enjoy and subscribe for more recipes. Bye. Hi guys. Now this is the smoothie. It's kind of a little bit on the chunkier side, but I normally make my smoothies always with bananas or with loads of dates, but I decided this time I make it with the dates and the apples, the green apples. So it is sweet, it is delicious, but it's just a little bit on the chunkier side. But if you'd like, just add banana. That's really nice. I mix my smoothies every day as much as possible. When something happens I don't make a smoothie, I'll make a recipe like the banana porridge. You saw that one is a go-to, especially when you have a lot of bananas and you don't know what to do with them. On point. So it's dates that give you potassium, celery that gives you the sodium, and apple gives you the sweetness. So that's what I have been doing. Give yourself a balanced meal in a smoothie. Sometimes you may think, smoothie is not filling, but it's very filling. Make yours and then you tell me what you think. Bye.